if you are interested in a pineapple cup and a nice pineapple drink, well, that's what we're making today. And even if you don't want to put it in a pineapple, still a really cool cocktail. My friend Eric said, look, I want to see something tropical. You know, I want to see you drink something out of a pineapple. So, hey, I got on Amazon. I ordered this pineapple quarter. You can see the teeth and everything, you know. And, of course, I went and grabbed myself a nice pineapple. This seems like a decent size to me to core out. We're going to make a pineapple daiquiri, and it's going to be a ton of fun, hopefully. And, well, it's going to be tons of fun for me. I don't know about you, but this is going to be an enjoyable episode for sure. And actually, the drink itself isn't that difficult. If you follow along the recipe after I cut this open, you'll be able to make it in a normal glass, and you'll get about 2 really nice cocktails out of it. So that is something worth watching as well. But we're going to start off just by taking this pineapple and cutting the top off. I love fresh pineapple. It has such a great sweetness to it. And the top, we really don't need the top after this. If you want to, you can Google, you can actually put that in water and plant that, and it'll grow. So I'm not going to do that, but you can. So this core is really, really easy. You just basically are going to put this down in, give it a little push, and then just push and twist as you're going down in. You're going to get very nice pineapple slices coming out of there. Very nice. Very, very nice. So I have this cored pineapple. So I'll take a knife. Of course, there's that little bit there inside. And I'm just going to take a knife and, you know, work this out, because we don't want the core, the center in there. So I'm just going to work this down, cut it out of here, get it going. We got a nice hollowed out pineapple. It's virtually the whole way through. Alright, so I have a blender. Obviously, it's going to be a blended drink. A little quick test here. We are ready to roll. Let's start making this cocktail. We are going to get started with this very simple drink. You got some rum in there. We're going to take that. We're going to put 2 ounces of it right into the mixer. And I like to add a little bit of a triple sec to this. Grand Marnier is actually what I'm using here. Triple sec or Cointreau will work as well. It's going to be a 1/2 of an ounce. Dump that pineapple in there. It's a nice amount of pineapple. This drink is going to be sweet. I'm just going to tell you that right now. It's going to be pretty sweet. If your pineapple yields a little more than that, I'm saying I'm putting roughly a cup and a half in there. It's up to you. The more pineapple you put in there, the sweeter this drink is going to be. So feel free to adjust it to whatever volume you're looking for as far as sweetness goes. Also, because it's a daiquiri, it's a good holder. Because it's a daiquiri, I'm going to take a lime. Traditional daiquiri, of course, is just lime, rum, and simple syrup. We're going to retain the lime in this case. I'm going to use 1, which should give me 1 ounce worth. Oh yeah, I'm definitely going to get an ounce out of this lime. A little more so even. So 1 ounce of the lime juice is going to go in there. And I'm going to put in some simple syrup. This is just a 1 part sugar, 1 part water mixture. I'm going to put 1/2 ounce in there. Adjust the simple syrup as you wish. If it's not as sweet as you'd like, you can add more. If you find it's a little too sweet for your tastes, you can completely cut it out. The pineapple is going to add sweetness anyway. All right, so we are at a point now where we're going to add ice. I like to add 1 scoop, which is roughly a cup of ice. Maybe just a tiny bit more. And that ought to do it. We're going to blend this until it's nicely mixed, until that ice is chopped up. Yes. Went good, huh? It seems a little runnier than I would like, so I'm going to add a little bit more ice to it. You can add more lime juice or pineapple juice. If it's too thick, a little bit of lime juice or pineapple juice will work. If it's too thin, add a little more ice till you get the consistency that you're looking for. It's a decent consistency right there. I think we're okay with that. Let me just bring the pineapple back over here into focus so we can go ahead and get ready to pour the drink in. And let's hope and pray that it holds and I didn't go the whole way through, because I will cry. Ha! Yeah, there is enough for 2. Huh. I'm going to do a red straw. Red straw. And I was told there better be an umbrella in this. So, I have a little parasol. A little cocktail parasol here. A little bit of, festivities on a kind of, hot day. I like this. I like this. It's cool looking. And that is how you make a pineapple daiquiri in a pineapple cup. And it doesn't leak. Ah! Okay, so it is the moment of truth. It's a good drink. It's sweet, of course. You would expect a pineapple daiquiri to be sweet. The consistency is good. There's not a lot of ice chunks in there, so I like it. So this very interesting cocktail is just one of many, as I'm in a journey this year to get 100 cocktails in the year 2020. Maybe a jacked up year, but I'm going to do this. We are going to hit this goal. And if you are interested in seeing me follow that goal, you want to see all of my drinks, you can hit the subscribe button down below. That bell icon will notify you anytime I post something new. I want to thank you for watching me make this really goofy drink. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'd love to know if you tried it out yourself. But until next time, I want to thank you for watching this. And remember that if this idiot can do it, so can you. Cheers.